This planner is focused on daily organization. It contains 5 weeks that are expandable, and within each week, there are 7 days grouped in an extendable manner. This planner is very intuitive and flexible. The first section of each week contains weekly goals and a word you can set as your motto for that week. When expanding to the day, the second section is the daily setup where you choose the date. This planner is perpetual. You can copy the tab and duplicate it for the month you want. Want an annual planner? Copy it 12 times and name or number the tabs for better organization. The description includes a link to this product. Take advantage of this opportunity. To show our gratitude for your feedback, we have a bonus for you, a habit tracker in Google Sheets.